baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force.
Hey. Say, man. Y'all gotta excuse me, man. It's No Shave November. Y'all didn't know? That's why your boy looking. Ooh. What's up, my kings and queens? Welcome back to the kingdom. It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks, and I'm in the castle making it happen again. Today is release day Saturday. So yes, your boy had to go ahead and grab these things. So I'm doing a double video actually today, man. Earlier I did one. We went and did the community service stuff with the School for the Blind. We always do that type of stuff every year. Actually, me and my bike club, man, I love my bike club. Not to throw salt on anybody else's bike club, man, but we do a lot of stuff for the community, and that's one of the things that I love about them. And we just do the thing, man. We literally just do the thing. We trendsetters, and we gonna make some things happen. But today is release day Saturday, so after I did all that, you know your boy had to go jump in the ride and go grab these daggone these things here, man. Yeah, I had to go and grab this thing, man. The reason why I went ahead and grabbed these Tiffany 13s was because originally these were supposed to be my birthday gift to myself. They were slated to be released on my birthday this month. However, Jordan Brand, as y'all know they do, is they decided to move the date up. Cool. So I'm good with that. As y'all see, man, that Tiffany color. So your boy had to go grab this thing. Oh, look at that.
Boy, if you don't...
I'm always being goofy, man. We're gonna get to it. Just gotta get to it, man. We're gonna get. So you know your boy had to go get these things, man. These Tiffany. We gonna say Tiffany. They calling them island green, but it's really the Tiffany color. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be straight to it. Popping these bad boys open. Look at that. Say, man. Let's go ahead and get these things out the box. Here we have it. The Island Green Tiffany 13s. These things are clean, man. Initially taking them out the box, man, just looking at them. I mean, you have that croc skin that's on them. I mean, it's not authentic 100% croc skin, but you have that croc skin pattern on them. And, you know, first feel, it does feel kind of stiff. It's not like soft, buttery leather, but, you know, it's that croc skin stiff. And I guess you can say a crocodile skin is stiff. I mean, I've never felt on a crocodile. If you ever touched a crocodile or an alligator in real life, comment down below, let me know. I haven't. Not that I would. Yeah, I'm definitely not. That's not what I'm about to do. But getting back to the shoe, like I say, you have that island green Tiffany color upper that's wrapped around the shoe, as in most of your 13s are, and that suede. It does not have that booty backstroke motion. So, I mean, not really many 13s have, but you do have that suede in there. Now, like I said, these were supposed to be releasing on my birthday. I think it's this little island green thing that Jordan has going on. If you notice, there's several shoes that are releasing with this type of colorway that has to do with apples. So, animals rather. So you have the island green. This is a gator one. In a couple of days on Monday, the Jordan 5 is coming out with the same island green theme and colorway that is a 3M reflective. I'm definitely going to be grabbing those. I love shoes that have 3M in them. It's just a thing with me. I have no idea. I just like it. And then later on in the week, next week, I want to say next Saturday, the Jordan 34 Snow Leopard is releasing. I want that one as well. Now, don't get me wrong, there's a lot of things that's releasing in November, but your boy is trying to budget for certain ones, and I'm just not going to be able to grab everything that's releasing in the month of November. November is heavy with releases. Now, I did try to get the blue to great, and if you've seen on my Instagram, I took an L on that. So I was actually prepared to drive to Houston to go grab those. They did not have them nowhere near. They only had them in like Houston and San Antonio. So I took an L on those. But on my pair here, you guys can see you have your standard Jordan upper. I really, had I designed this, I would have had this in either the same teal color, or I would have had the Jordan in the teal colorway. But you have the Jordan there, it's sitting there, your 13 on the back. Then you have the Jumpman. Initially when I grabbed this pair, I thought the Jumpman was just coming off, but that's the way it is. As you can see, it kind of raises up on both sides, but it's centered there. It's centered in there. I rather would have had the cat's eye instead of that silver Jumpman that's sitting right there. The only other besides the cat's eye, the cap and gown 13s, are they? No, they're here. So even with the cap and gown 13s, you have that metal Jumpman that's there, which they didn't do the same thing on here, but they did put the metal Jumpman on it. I rather would have had the cat's eye instead of that metal Jumpman. Why they did the metal Jumpman and the metal 2-3 on these, I have no idea. If anybody knows, comment down below. But you do have the cat's eye silver on the bottom. So I wanted to grab these. I like these because these were supposed to be a birthday gift to myself, like I said, but they did move the date up, of course, which is why they've been released today. But there's no shoes releasing on my birthday, at least far as J's. Now I think I need to double check. I think some Adidas or some Yeezys might be releasing on my birthday, something like that. Maybe your boy go cop those. But I have to try to limit myself on what I'm copping this month. But I definitely want to grab these because I just want to go with that island Tiffany green theme with these, the 5 and the 34. So those are the ones. I like those snow leopards. I still haven't had a chance to try on those 34s. If anybody has tried on those 34s and you like them, I need to know, are they true to fit, true to size? I definitely want to grab a pair. I haven't had the opportunity to try some on, but I definitely want to try to grab those because I do want the snow leopards. And instead of grabbing these this morning like I normally do, I actually waited. Like I said, I went and did my little community stuff that I had to do with my peoples. But I kind of figured these would kind of sit, and I think they sit. There's a $10 more price point. These were $200 plus your tax, and normally everything is $190. But at the same time, we might as well start getting used to paying at $200 minimum because that's what they're going to be doing. So, checking them out one more time. You know what I'm saying? Y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about them. Me, I think they're hot. I think they're fire. It's a black and it's a different color. I like stuff that's different colors than from the norm. Then, you know, your regular Jordans with your red, black, and white. So anytime that I can try to get something that's a different colorway, you know what I'm saying? It's not about hype. It's about what I like. And I'll tell you guys that all the time. I get what I like. And I know a lot of people are probably going to let this sit, and that's fine. That's fine. I mean, if you look at the leather, I mean, the leather is, I mean, it's not that soft, but it is pretty good. It is pretty good. But y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. And these are your Island Green 13s. Had to get that little thumbnail in there. So y'all let me know what you guys think. I got to get back to this game. Hopefully UT pulls it off. Y'all know I'm representing Texas. But at the same time, the game of the day is LSU and Alabama. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that game. Who do y'all think is going to win that game, man? Who y'all think is going to win, LSU or Alabama? Me personally, I'm rooting for LSU because I'm not going to say I'm an Alabama hater, but I'm just tired of Alabama winning. I'm just saying. The whole system is set up for them to get it. And if LSU wins, they're pretty good. They're pretty tough. They beat the brakes off my Cowboys. They beat the brakes off my Longhorns this year, man. And I'm not gonna say beat the brakes because we actually could have won that game. We actually gave them that game. UT gave LSU that game, and they took it and ran with it. But they're pretty tough for this year, man. So anyway, my kings stand up. Rule your kingdom. And my queens, make sure you stand beside your king. And always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Hey, and as a matter of fact, don't forget the giveaway. I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. So when I reach 500 subscribers, I am doing a $50 giveaway. Right now, I think we're at 336 or something like that. Let's make sure that we hit that, man. We try to hit that by the end of the month. Hit 500 subscribers. I'm going to give away 50 bucks. Venmo, PayPal, American Express, Visa card. I don't know. However I'm going to do it. However you need to get it, I'm going to make it happen for you. We're going to pick a random winner. But go back and watch that video, and it's going to tell you how to enter into the giveaway. All right. Peace.
J's on the bottom, got them Air Force One with the J's on the bottom, with the J's on the bottom, with the J's on the bottom, with the J's on the bottom.